Hey, how's everyone doing? Look, I recently came across some information, and I know that the XRPL just launched an EVM and Ethereum virtual machine sidechain. And with this sidechain, it allows XRPL to now be interoperable and compatible with the smart contract capabilities and functionalities, and also they can also uh, work and adopt the Ethereum ecosystem, Solidity language, and all that great stuff that goes along with the smart contract capabilities. And one of the things I actually didn't realize is that in order to apply um, tokenized assets or RWAs onto a specific ledger or railway system, you're going to need to have a smart contract capability or functionality. And so, no wonder XRPL, adopted an EVM sidechain. And so I kind of went down a rabbit hole. I want to know if H bar Hedera, the hashgraph network of the hashgraph, if their consensus mechanism also allow them to utilize smart contract capability and functionality. And it does. It's built right into their architecture. I went over the XDC network, and they do as well. They have Ethereum functionality. Not that they got an EVM sidechain like the XRPL, but they actually it's built into the architecture. They're able to apply tokenized assets into the R3 Corda. And then I'm kind of was like, well, what's going on with Stellar XLM? So check this out, folks. The Stellar network, powered by the native cryptocurrency XLM, is a decentralized blockchain platform primarily designed for facilitating fast, low-cost cross-border payments and asset transfers. Asset transfers. All right. Launched in 2014, it operates on a consensus protocol called the Stellar Consensus Protocol (SCP), which enables efficient transaction processing without energy-intensive mining used in proof-of-work systems. Stellar architecture emphasizes scalability, interoperability with traditional financial systems, and accessibility for global users, allowing the issuance and exchange of tokenized assets like fiat currencies or commodities. In recent years, Stellar has expanded its capabilities beyond simple payments by introducing smart contract functionality through Sorobon, its dedicated smart contract platform, which went live on mainnet in 2014 or 2024. This enhances positions Stellar as a versatile ecosystem for decentralized applications (DApps), enabling programmable logic for complex financial operations while maintaining the network's core strengths in speed and affordability. Sorbonne implements smart contracts on Stellar by leveraging Rust as the primary programming language, with contracts compiled into WebAssembly WASM, for secure and efficient execution on the network's virtual machine. This approach ensures high performance, low resource consumption, and robust security features, such as predictable fees and built in safeguards against common vulnerabilities like reentrance, reentrancy attacks. Developers can deploy contracts that interact seamlessly with Stellar's native asset and accounts using tools like the Sorobon SDK for building, testing, and invoking functions. The integration is achieved through Protocol 20, an upgrade that added smart contract support without disrupting existing operations, allowing contracts to execute in a sandboxed environment while benefiting from Stellar's global ledger for state management. This Rust WASM model, combined with Stellar's federated Byzantine agreement consensus, enables Sorbonne to handle real world use cases like automated payments, decentralized finance, DeFi, and tokenization at scale, all while keeping transaction costs minimal, often fractions of a cent. Looks like they got that thing for the tokenization too, folks. Sorobon. Interesting. Hey, folks, now we're going to check on these guys right here, the XDC network. Check this out. So, a core aspect of the XDC network's architecture is its full compatibility with the Ethereum Virtual Machine EVM, which empowers it to leverage Ethereum smart contract capabilities seamlessly. This EVM compatibility means developers can write, deploy, and execute smart contracts using Solidity, the same language predominant in the Ethereum ecosystem, without significant alterations, while also supporting standards like ERC20 for fungible tokens and ERC721 for non-fungible tokens. By integrating these Ethereum features into its infrastructure, XCC allows for easy migration of decentralized applications, DApps, from Ethereum, benefiting from the network's superior scalability and cost effectiveness. This setup not only extends Ethereum's programmability to enterprise environments, but also enables advanced functionalities such as programmable smart contracts for automated business logic, T integrations, tokenized integrations, and cross-chain interactions, all while maintaining security through enforceable contract execution. Hey, now we're going to do these guys real quick. Let's do these guys right here. All right, check this out. So, we've got Hedera Hashgraph and HBAR tokenization rollout via EVM sidechain. Hedera Hashgraph, a high-performance distributed ledger technology DLT platform, leverages its Hashgraph consensus mechanism to offer fast, low-cost, and energy-efficient transactions compared to traditional blockchains. The introduction of a tokenization rollout on the Hedera network via an Ethereum virtual machine EVM sidechain represents a significant step toward enhancing its interoperability and expanding its use cases. Check this out. And here's what I just got for Hedera. Fundamentally different from traditional blockchains' linear structure by using a directed acyclic graph, a DAG, or gossip about gossip, and virtual voting for efficiency, energy efficient validation without mining or single points of failure. For smart contracts, Hedera integrates the Hedera Smart Contract Services, HSCS, an Ethereum virtual machine EVM compatible layer optimized for speed and scalability, allowing developers to deploy Solidity based contracts using the familiar Web3 tools like Truffle, Hardhat, and Web3Js, where contracts can execute decentralized applications, DApps, with low predictable fees, fractions of a cent, and seamless integration with native services for collateral, staking, and governance using HBAR's cryptocurrency. Tokenization of real-world assets or RWAs such as real estate, bonds, equities, and or shares is facilitated through the Hedera Token Service, the HTS, a native API-driven system for issuing and managing fungible and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, with built-in compliance features like KYC, AML controls, atomic swaps, scheduled transactions, and custom royalties, while advanced programmability for regulated RWAs leverages ERC 3643 T-Rex standard implemented in EVM smart contracts for permissionless transfers, identity registries, and proof of reserve mechanisms, ensuring interoperable compatibility with the ERC 2721 tokens and supporting enterprise-grade tools like the Asset Tokenization Studio for compliant on-chain issuance and management. So yes, tokenization rollout, Hedera, all of them. Interesting. When are they going to do it? Anyway, folks, thanks for joining. I'm just telling you, it's a tokenization rollout. All these, I want to say, railway systems, these payment railway systems are definitely in with the tokenization, and they're going to be laying those RWAs onto those ledgers and giving them value, giving those native currencies the value they need in order to move volumes of money. It's coming, folks. Be prepared. More will be revealed.